Last time we studied what is the mechanical advantage of any machine. Today we are going to know more about the machines and how do we calculate the efficiency of any machine around us or help us doing the work easier for me. So the output work, we said last time, is the work done by the machine, but the input work is the work done on the machine, that we do it on the machine too and convert it into the output work. Sometimes when the machine is working, there is a friction force. So the friction force is the force when two objects or two surfaces touch each other. Any machine, for example, as the pulley, it's made of different surfaces inside. So when they touch each other, there is a friction force that converts some of the input work done to thermal energy. So this energy will not be used as work, cannot be used to do work. That's why we have something, it's called the efficiency of any machine. It's the ratio of the output work to the input work. How do we calculate it? By dividing the output work to the input work. And we know that their unit is joules, so we multiply them by 100% to get the efficiency by percent. For example, here I have a machine does 78 joules. This is the input work. And or to left the motor left something, the output work of this machine is 64 joules. So I have the output work and the input work. Let's underline them so we can use them in our calculations or in our formula. This is the input work, and this one is the output work. Then, as we do in all the problems, we first write what do we know, the input work, which is 78 joules, and the output work, which is 64 joules. Then we write what do we need to find, which is efficiency. Then we write the formula, which is W out over Wn, which means the output work over the input work, multiplying by 100%. Substitution, we will get the result 82.1%. So yes, the efficiency now it's less than 100%. Why? Because there's a friction force here in this machine. So we can get from this that efficiency is the ratio of the output work to the input work multiplying by percent or 100%. Why cannot the work done by a machine be greater than the work done on the machine? Yes, due to the friction that exists in the machine and take some of this energy that cannot be used to do the work. So in this lesson, we studied what is the machine and how do they make the tasks easier for me, and they can be simple or complex machines. Also, we studied the mechanical advantage of the machine that indicate how it changes an input force to output force, and the efficiency of the machine that is increased when lubricant coats moving part. Why this one? Because lubricant is used to decrease the effect of the friction force. When we decrease the effect of the friction force now, we will make the efficiency higher or increase or more than with more friction force.